Hey guys, it's Natalie the Geek, and I need your guys' help to get the word out for our Criminal Minds ladies. CBS has recently decided to fire AJ Cook and have Paget Brewster on limited episodes next season, and that is insane. So us fans are fighting back. There's a petition that I need you guys to sign. The link's going to be posted up on the side, and you can also call Nina Tausler, who is the head of CBS Entertainment. And again, like I said, all links will be posted up the side. So what I need from you guys is to get in touch with your creative side and make a picture, just like this one that I'm showing you, to show that you support the Criminal Minds ladies. And you can make a poster, make a card, draw on a t-shirt, even draw on yourself. Just get creative and send me pictures. There's going to be an email posted up to the side. And yeah, like I said, just get in touch with your creative side, make whatever you need, and I'm going to make a video with all of the pictures that you guys send me. And it's just to show that the fans are supporting Criminal Minds and that we won't give up this fight. So I'm excited to see what you guys make, and don't forget to sign the petition. Alright, thanks. Bye guys.